Hello viewers, this is Dr. Fast here. In today's video I want to show you this very compact and portable air compressor. This here is a Spanarci Sandy 2000 portable air compressor. You can use this to inflate car tires, motorbike tires, bicycle tires, or balls. It also has a built-in flashlight with 3 different modes. You can set it as a flashlight, a strobe, or SOS. With this device you can also use it as a power bank. There are 2 USB output ports you can use to charge your phone or tablets. I'll go over all the features and how to use this in this video, so let's get started. So let me show you the unboxing of this Spanarci portable air compressor. This is the user manual. This is a portable air inflator. As you can see, it's very compact. This here is a carrying pouch. USB-C charging cable. AC wall charger. Various adapters. Right here is an inflation tube. Here's a look at everything you get with this portable air inflator. As you can see, this portable tire inflator is very compact. It doesn't take up a lot of space if you were to put this in your car. The overall length of this device is 10.5 inch. The width and the height is only 2 inch. Now looking on this side, you have the power button, the settings button, plus and minus to adjust the air pressure, and the flashlight button. On this end, you have the LED for the flashlight, and in the middle is where you connect the air tube. On the other side, you have this rubber cover. Here you have a regular USB-A connector, and below that is a USB-C connector. The USB-A connector is for charging your devices, phone or tablet, and the USB-C connector at the bottom can be used as an input or output. So if you want to charge this device, you want to connect the USB-C cable to the bottom port. When you're not charging this device, you can use a USB-C port as an output to charge or power your device. For this to be wireless and portable, there is a rechargeable battery inside. There's a 6,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery inside here, and that's what powers this tire inflator, and also you can use this to charge devices. To charge the internal battery, just connect the charger to a USB-C port, and here you see on the LCD display, the battery is charging right now. To fully charge a battery, it takes less than 2 hours. And the operating temperature of this device is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll turn it this way to show you the LCD that's right here. To turn on the unit, press and hold the power button for 1.5 seconds. Now at the very top, there's a battery charge level indicator. So right now it's 4 bars. It tells you it's fully charged. Below that, there's a PSI reading. So if you have this connected to a tire, it'll measure and read the PSI from the tire. Below that, this car icon tells you the mode that's in. So with this mode, it's ready to inflate a car tire. If you want to change to a different mode, press this gear button right here. Press it again. Now you can use this to inflate a scooter. Next mode is for inflating a bicycle. And this mode is for inflating a ball. Now right now it's measuring PSI. If you want to change to a different unit, press and hold the gear button. Press it again. Now it switches to bar. And next one is kPa. Now we're back to PSI. Now this tire inflator will stop automatically when it reaches the target PSI setting. To see what the target PSI setting is right now, press this gear button right here. Right now it's set to 36 PSI. To adjust the target setting, use the minus and plus button to make the adjustments. So right now it's set to 33 PSI. Now the range of this is 3 PSI all the way up to 150 PSI. Once you have the air tube connected to the tire and you're ready to turn on this inflator, press the power button right here. When it reaches the target setting, it will stop automatically. And of course, at any time you can press a power button just like what I did and manually turn it off also. Now the other feature this inflator has is a flashlight. And right here is the flashlight button. So let me demonstrate that to you. On the end here, there are 2 bright white LED. Press and hold the flashlight button and the flashlight will turn on. Press it again, it will flash. Press it once more, this SOS. Press it again, it'll turn off. So let me show you how to use this tire inflator to inflate a tire on a vehicle. First, you want to connect the air tube to the tire inflator. To turn on, press the power button for 1.5 seconds. Now connect the air tube to the tire. Now once you connect this, it will actually measure the tire pressure in the tire. And right now it's showing 29 psi. Now this tire needs 35 psi. So I'll use the plus and minus button and adjust the target air pressure, 35 psi. Now to see how long it takes to inflate the tire from 29 psi to 35 psi, I have a stopwatch right here. And to start it, press the power button right here. As you can see, once it reaches the target PSI, it does stop automatically. And the time it took to go from 29 PSI to 35 PSI is 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Now you might be thinking 2 minutes seems like a long time to inflate a tire, but if you're out and about and you have a flat tire, or perhaps the tire is low on air, with a tire inflator like this, you can inflate the tire to the proper pressure so you can drive safely to a gas station or a repair shop. And when you're done, all you have to do is disconnect the air hose. With a built-in flashlight, you can use this to illuminate your work area. Now this inflator comes with different attachments, so you can use it to inflate a soccer ball or other sports equipment you have. Here I'll change the mode to balls. As you can see, the soccer ball right now needs some more air. You can also use this to charge a phone. Open up this end, plug in your USB cable, connect it to your phone, turn on, and now this phone is being charged. Now in my car, I used to carry this very bulky air compressor. This is not cordless. I have to connect this to a cigarette lighter power plug to use this. With this new Spanarci Sandy 2000 air inflator, it's a lot more compact. I just put this in my trunk and I'll have it when I need it. As you can see, this is a great tool to have in your vehicle or at home. With its compact size, you can easily put this in your vehicle and have a tire inflator to use when you need it. I like the fact that you can also use this as a power bank to charge your phone. Because if you're out somewhere and you don't have a wall charger, this tool is able to charge your phone. Now you can pick this up for only $50, which is a great price. If you're interested, check out the link below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.